Welcome to Spot AI for Retail. This short video series is designed to help retail owners and operators get the most out of their Spot AI system. In Spot AI for Retail 101, we'll explore how to investigate incidents faster and more easily with Spot AI. We'll go over how to quickly search for footage of an incident or workers' comp claim using People Search, save that footage to a case, add important context to the footage within the case, and share the footage internally and externally. Let's walk through an example. In this scenario, let's say that theft was reported at one of our stores where a few articles of clothing were stolen from somebody wearing a brown hat. We need to access and save the video footage to prove or disprove the claim. We'll start by going to the Search tab and selecting the camera that will have the best view of this incident. In this scenario, say we don't know exactly when the theft occurred or was reported, but we know it happened at some point today on April 9th. I can set the filters to start at 9 a.m., which is when we open, all the way to 3:30 p.m., which is when we close, and then I'll click apply. Once I've done that, I can now hover over all of these 5-minute clips at the bottom of my screen to try and find that specific incident. Now, I can see that there are quite a few clips for us to review. So there's a couple tools that we have to narrow things down. As a first step, we can enable the people filter. And now the software is only serving us footage where people are present. And as a second step, we can draw a zone around the area where the theft was reported. In this case, we know it happened around register number 2. So we can draw a zone around register number 2. Now the software is only serving us footage where a person is detected within that zone, and we can see that it's already started to narrow down the results for us here below. After spending a few moments scrubbing through the footage, I can see around register 2, somebody here with a brown colored hat. Now with this video clip in place, I can now investigate to see exactly what had happened in this scenario. If I want to speed things up, I can simply click the gear wheel in the bottom right, turn playback to 4x speed, and now I can quickly review this incident. Pretty clearly, I can see that our employee scans the merchandise and the customer does in fact pay for the merchandise. Because in this scenario there was reported theft, I want to go ahead and save this clip to a case. In the top right of the video player, I can click this arrow and I want to save this to a case. I can add a title. I can add a description. I can add a tag. I can add internal collaborators. In this case, my manager, Mike, I might want to add as an editor on this case. I can select when this incident occurred, and I want to view this case after saving. Once I'm inside the Cases tab, I can on the right-hand side of the screen see all the clips and screenshots associated with this specific incident. It's also important to note any video clips saved to a case will be stored indefinitely in the cloud until you choose to delete it. Inside the case, we can also add commentary. We can add annotations. We can add external links or files. And at the bottom of our screen, We can share this case with folks outside the organization or download all associated files. Cases serve as a one-stop shop for all things relating to a specific incident. We can review cases at any time by clicking the Cases tab on the top menu. To recap, we've seen how to easily search for footage of an incident, save it to a case, add context, and share it with external users. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for more tutorials on Spot AI features and functionality, you can find them anytime in the tutorials section under Help. If you'd like more industry-specific insights into how retail customers are streamlining their operations with video intelligence, check out the other videos in our Spot AI for Retail series.